What's up mga kamoms and mga kapops, and welcome once again to my channel. And today I'll be teaching you how your Bitmoji avatar talk. Di ba nagawa na natin yung pag-install ng Bitmoji at paano siya mapagalaw or how to make it animated or 3D animation ng Bitmoji. So ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano naman siya mapagsalita. Gusto nyo yan? Okay, so kung gusto nyo malaman paano gawin yun, napagsalita natin ng ating Bitmoji avatar to make our presentation more interactive and creative, panoorin lang ang video na to. You just go to your Play Store and type iPhone Face. And then click the iPhone face and click install and click accept for us to allow that application to install. Then wait for our app to be installed on our device or mobile device. And then huwag muna natin i-click open. Punta na muna tayo sa Bitmoji and search tayo ng ating avatar na pwede natin gamitin para pagsalitain sa iPhone face. And I click setting. And let's save it to my device or to our device by clicking save and allowing Bitmoji to access our device. And then, alisin lang natin ito and punta tayo sa iPhone face na app natin sa device. Click natin, no thanks muna, and click start and go to albums and hanapin yung sinave natin sa ating Bitmoji and click that image. Ayan, maglo-load na siya sa iPhone face app natin. Okay, ayoko siyang i-crop, no? No thanks. And then, let's draw. So, i-draw natin or kukulayan natin ng pula yung mukha kasi ito yung pagagalawin natin at pagsasalitain. Oops, sorry. Burahin lang natin. So, hindi ko na masyadong pinulido, ha? So, yan. And then, click next. After nyo. And then, ito yung position mouth para magsalita siya. Move lang natin siya. And then, yung triangle na shape, i-move natin doon sa dulo ng bibig. At yung pinaka nasa taas na bilog, nasa kalahati ng ngipin. Ayan. And then, yung isa sa pinakailalim ng labi. So, pag preview natin siya, yan, nagsasalita. Creepy, diba? And then, record voice. So, mag-click record voice para makapag-record tayo ng boses natin. So, pwede tayong pumili ng boses na gusto natin doon sa voice effects. And then, once we click record, in 3, 2, 1, magre-record na siya. So, dito, nagre-record na ako ng aking sasabihin. And then, after ma-record yan, ganito ang mangyayari dyan. Ang tagal. Ayan. Creating an animation. So, pag play natin. Hello. Good day and welcome to my class. Today, we are going to discuss the different parts of classical or Western classical period. Ayan siya. And then, let's just share to our camera roll para ma-save sa device natin. So, creating video na siya. Masisave siya sa mobile device natin. Once we click share. And then, pipiliin lang natin yung camera roll. Ay, sorry, nag-flip yung aking cellphone. So, hintayin lang natin mag-create. And then, save complete. Tignan natin ngayon. Let's go to our gallery. Hanapin natin yung iPhone face na album. And ayan na nga. Good day and welcome to my class. Today, we are going to discuss the different parts of classical or Western classical period. Ayan. And then, let's just share this and export this. Sa akin sa Messenger ko pa rin siya i-export. For me, to download it on my laptop. Again, you can use your cord or Bluetooth device to transfer it on your laptop para sa inyong PowerPoint presentation, at pwede rin naman kung Google Slide ang gamit nyo. So ito yung ginawa ko.
Good day everyone and welcome to our class. So today I will be teaching you the different art forms of the different era during the Western classical arts.
If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and give a positive comments, and of course, click subscribe and hit the notification bell for more new videos of mine. Ayan. So, thanks for watching, guys, and happy learning!